All right, ladies and gentlemen, traders, what's up? What's up? Welcome back. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well, feeling good. Hope you had a fantastic weekend, and I hope you're also ready to go. It's Monday. It does seem a little slower. There's some overall market news, a little bit of uncertainty. So naturally, we'll see a bit of a pullback in the market. So in the small cap land, what does that mean for us? We still do have a stock here in ICCT, ticker symbol ICCT, which is holding up fairly well and currently is up 138%. Granted, it is below $1, but this one might be able to provide some good opportunities for us today. So as usual, as you're tuning in, check out the disclaimer. All right, check out the disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky. A lot of people out there are having a hard time, so take it slow. Small size first is usually the way to go. Simulators first is usually the way to go. Other than that, remember that copy trading does not work. And I do not invest in my subscribers, so be careful of fake accounts. I will never message you first. All right, so hit that thumbs up. Again, ticker symbol ICCT. That's pretty much my watch list. I mean, there's not a lot going on. MLGO from a few days ago, perhaps. It's still up around 18 bucks, but the volume is really light. There's just not a lot of great movers today in terms of what we look for with, high volume, lower float. CTOR is another one that I'll keep an eye on as well. CTOR. Let's see. So this one is up 56%. And there's been a bit of a pullback here as of recent. We had highs all the way at 181. Let's just check it out here. CTOR. Let's also bring down our recents. Let's clear the drawing set. Yeah, so we got 181, which is, way out there. The lows of the current pullback around 101, so about $1. So it's quite the range here. The move happened early around 4 a.m. Good strong push, and then we've been dwindling down. But the good news is that it seems like we've based out a little bit. So for me, I'd love to see us. It doesn't have to be right away into the open, the first 5-10 minutes, but within the first 2-3 hours of the open, can we slowly get that red to green? And if it builds that volume over VWAP, that's where perhaps we can get to recover and perhaps hit the pre-market highs again. So CTOR, let's see how this one does. CTOR. Okay, MLGO, just take a quick look at this one. Again, it's been in play. Honestly, it's at a good level, but the real question is, can we gain volume in, 1969 was a key level, and then high point here, 2074. So pre-market highs 22. This is the type of stock that could give a move, but it really, really depends, right? If there's no volume, I'm not gonna touch this. It'll be huge spreads. It'll just be a little too risky. But it's a maybe. It's an option. It's there if it does end up, being strong later. Coming back to ICCT, this perhaps as of right now might be the best bet. Might be the best bet. Pre-market highs clocking in at 83 38. Low of our current pullback at 63.01. The 200 EMA is out of the way. Looking at the daily chart, I mean, it's been selling off here. Last big flush out going back to February 24th. And, you know, here we are down here. Now we're curling up. So we'll see. You know, I think a good target here could be 1. If we do get over 1, maybe 125, 140, 150. But for now, it's definitely a little hard to gauge if we can really recover all these levels here going back to $2. It's possible, not impossible, right? Definitely possible. We've seen a few penny stocks go up to about 160, sometimes even getting halted up in the last 3.5 weeks. So maybe ICCT can surprise us here. Well, yeah, I mean, those are the 3. I mean, I can check the chat here, see if you guys are saying anything. STAI. Let's see, STAI. Let's just take a look at a few of the ones that are getting mentioned. You know, a bit of a small push recently. I can add it to the recents, but probably, you know, we'll see. Kind of is a little depthy right now. Let's see, what else are people mentioning? DOMH. Yeah, this one is okay too. Bit of a bigger pullback, but not bad. So, you know, the game plan for me today, it's been a slower month. I've been swinging like crazy, as you guys can see, throughout the month. And I say swinging not in a bad context per se, but I've definitely been more aggressive. We haven't really been taking profits off the table, as in like walking away with a day at a particular point based off of the difficulty of the day. We've just been going for it as long as the momentum has been there. Like if the stock is still going, we were still, you know, looking to be aggressive. I think today, especially, you know, with like the overall market, we're gonna just take it slow, aim for green, look to keep it tight, not use too much size unless something really is obvious. I want to protect myself on a day like this where it just seems a little slower. So that's the plan, slow and steady. Tight stops, small size. Just gonna take it slow. Gonna be patient. Small size first. And we're not gonna be aggressive unless something really good, you know, presents itself. By the way, I got my mic flipped, so I probably should have had it like this forever. But I can see the light, whether it's green or red. So I shouldn't have issues with being muted again, unless I'm just lost in the wilderness mentally, I guess. Because MYSZ, is there something there? CTOR moving up. Okay. So far, so good. Will this be the one early? Will CTOR be the one early here? Seems a little thick.
CTOR, BST, BLRZ. KELYB. EBS. CORT. QSG. NYSC. AEBA. EXC. CONH. NTHI halted. CONTHI will resume at 9 hours 38 minutes and 37 seconds. QSG halted. QSG will resume at 9 hours 38 minutes and 34 seconds. MLGO halted.
There's more selling. Can we hold? Okay.
EXC. NYSC. TNXP. CELH.
This is going to be a big hold if it holds up this level here.
CORT. AEBA. EBS.
Christmas tree. Looking like one so far.
OCG. EXC.
0.2 to 8 though, so good recovery.
TOMH halted. TOMH will resume at 9 hours 38 minutes and 52 seconds. CORT. TNXP. GM. TSCO. MLGO. GM. TSCO. NYSC. CORT.
MLGO moving up a little bit.
WRAP. TNXP. GM.
If this Christmas tree's too, then the day's in the depth. It looks like it might be Christmas treeing.
TSCO. TDOC. TNXP.
Pretty close.
EBS.
It needs to like not drop any lower than this. This is like the bottoms here.
ABL. GRRR. CORT. CTOR. KELYP may resume in less than a minute.
37.
C. DXCM. EBS. QUPT. GRRR. QSG may resume in less than a minute. NWTG. NTHI may resume in less than a minute.
NXU. PRTS.
I was a little late.
COMH may resume in less than a minute. CTOR halted. CTOR will resume at 9 hours 41 minutes and 54 seconds. GRRR. BYON. ONDS. QSG. GRRR. ONDS. TNXP. NWTG. DONH.
We're revisiting this level very quickly here. Will it hold up?
NYSC. TSCO. ONDS. GRRR.
Oh wow, CTOR halted down.
TDOC. TSCO.
And TCO.
ONDS. NWTG.
Wow. Is it worth trading today? Probably not. That's what I'm seeing right now. Time to shut it down and take the day off. Relax for the day.
TSCO.
The momentum is not here. This is the depth. This is not worth being here for.
CTOR may resume in less than a minute.
Well, MYSZ, hold up, this one's been going. Okay, I've been looking at the wrong stock, perhaps. Took it off my screens up top. It looks like it's been going nicely. Oh, yeah, it's a good looking move. So hopefully we can hold up this area here and not be Christmas tree.
TNXP.
It's this like that.
OCG.
Okay.
EXC. NWTG. RDGT. CTRR. KELYB may resume in less than a minute. EXC. NWTG. SOXS.
GFAI.
EVPR. NTHI may resume in less than a minute. EXC. BLUE.
Can we push through?
NYSC.
96, but not quite all the way.
BLUE. GRRR. SOXS. BLUE. JZXE. NYSC.
Oh. Okay, 01.
GRRR. SOXS. UBXY. SQQQ.
NRGB.
OCG. NYSC. SKBL. TNXP. JZXN halted. JZXN will resume at 9 hours 49 minutes and 18 seconds. BLUE. SQQQ. EXC. JYD. OCG.
A bit of a sharp pullback there.
GRRR. JYD.
I think I got it figured out, but
SKBL.
I need the next uptrend.
SKBL will resume at 9 hours 49 minutes and 55 seconds. NWTG. SOXS. UBXY. CELH. JYD. MLGO. NWTG. GRRR.
BCAI.
CELH. NWTG.
PRTG.
MLGO. CELH. PRTG. FTCI. NWTG. JRR. JYDTG halted. PRTG will resume at 9 hours 52 minutes and 24 seconds. MLGO. JZXN may resume in less than a minute. JYD.
CAPT.
WOLF. MLGO. CELH. SKBL may resume in less than a minute. JYD.
JZXE.
WOLF. GRRR. RIBN.
CMMB.
CELH. NWTG. JYD.
CAPS.
GRRR.
SKBL.
MLGO. HMST.
Hmm. Mm-mm-mm.
GRRR. PRCH. RGTI.
Pay for the high ads on this one.
WOLF. QUBT. BN. BYON. CH.
SKBL.
RGTI. CELH. PRTG may resume in less than a minute. RR. JYD. QUBT. SMCI.
AMPG. GANX. SURG.
RIBN. TDOC. GTI. WOLF. RR. SKBL. JYD. CL will resume at 9 hours 56 minutes and 14 seconds. ONDS. URG. QUBT. SMCI. EH. LTBR. QBTS. WOLF. RR. GRRR. BYON. GRRR. QUBT. MLGO. QBTS. RTGT. ASPI. RR. GRRR. IONQ.
And it is Titanicing.
HO.
Backside, perhaps?
RGTI. QUBT. QBTS.
Looks like backside.
GRRR.
This dip was a good dip. I was a little too specific on wanting below 70 to load up on size. But taking it 74, 72, whatever, low 70s could have worked nice. But a little too stubborn for below 70 with size. So I didn't take any size, as we never dipped back below the level. The double bottom in the depths.
CRVO. CK. WULF. HOD.
MLGO had moved up.
RGTI. QBTS. GRRR. CRVO.
ABBC.
WULF.
22.
RGTI. QBTS. QUBT. NBAX. GRRR. IONQ. MLGO. WOLF. WULF. RR. BLUE. PRTG may resume in less than a minute. NBAX. WOLF.
ENON.
MLGO. WULF. WOLF. HUT. GTI. RR. WULF. QETS.
PRTG.
MLGO. WOLF. WULF. RR. ONDS. HUT. MLGO. QUBT. ONDS.
Stock always has a very funny way of how it moves. Nevertheless, the dip held up.
MLGO.
IB. WKHS.
Bro, it's just so random.
MLGO. SKBO may resume in less than a minute. QUBT. WULF.
If this is the backside, I'm not touching this thing. $10 share drop incoming.
GTI. ONDS.
PRTG.
PRTG halted. PRTG will resume at 10 hours 5 minutes and 38 seconds.
BALY.
INBS. AIFF.
TSLA. Valley halted. ONDS. CALY will resume at 10 hours 6 minutes and 19 seconds. WULF. AIFF.
Stock is doesn't even make sense. The dip goes right back to the highs.
MLGO.
It's definitely some unorthodox move here.
GDHG. CYRX. QBTS. FTCI. QUBT. QBTS. WULF. QUBT.
There's about 30 seconds left in this 5-minute candle.
QBTS. RR. RGTI. PRTG may resume in less than a minute.
GLE.
SKBL.
QUBT. WULF. ICCT. SKBL may resume in less than a minute. BALY may resume in less than a minute.
RA1.
PRTG. BALY.
ICCT.
RCT. RGTIW.
CTXR. CTXR. TG.
Okay, I am out of here. $800 loss. Shutting it down.
WOLF.
Not really much. I think MLGO early in the push in the uptrend, and then MYSC early in the uptrend. I'm coming to both of them towards like the tail end of the move. Trying to find the hot stock, so taking it slow, keeping it tight. Honestly, I probably shouldn't have even traded today. You know, the signs are kind of there for a slower day. You know, it's like, why even bother?
PCBX.
MYSC.
DNRX.
My chat, I think I could have saw it a little earlier, but my chat, I don't know, it froze a little bit at the top.
OKLO.
People in Discord will understand. So like it doesn't like scroll down, so you kind of don't see the recent messages. But yeah, taking it red on 4 out of 4 stocks, like 200 apiece. So I think that's my cue to get out of here. All right, for those of you going to distance, continue to be disciplined, continue to be patient. I am taking the early day. I'll catch you guys in the recap, and then again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay green. Pastor shutting it down.